Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make real cotton candy. Easy method. Heat your machine to medium and pour measured sugar into the head once it reaches temperature. Hold a paper cone near the rim and rotate it slowly to collect fine threads. Adjust speed and angle to build even layers, and use small flavor drops when reheating sugar for different colors and tastes. Warm up as you go, keeping your movements calm and steady so the floss forms light, airy layers. Begin with slow rotations, then increase speed as threads accumulate. Use short bursts to shape the cone and prevent large clumps from forming. When the floss reaches desired size, trim any long strands carefully and finish with a final gentle wrap to secure the shape for serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers into your kitchen hands-free, and it pairs perfectly with party vibes while you spin cotton candy. It's compact, sounds great, and fits on any prep counter for easy control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep flavoring subtle so the sugar stays threadable and not syrupy. A few drops go a long way. Always use tools and tongs to avoid burns near the heated head, and allow brief cool-downs between batches to protect the motor. Work in a dry room to prevent humidity from collapsing the floss, and package finished cotton candy in airtight bags, if not serving immediately, to preserve texture and presentation.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.